My name is Niral Patel. I'm working as a physical therapist. There is a good opportunity in America to study or do a job here.
I wanted to come to America to get maximum exposure in my career and for better opportunities in my future career goals.
I wanted to come to the United States to work as an occupational therapist.
Before, when I came here, I was a little scared. I was expecting the big buildings, all Americans. But it's not like that. They are really very helpful. I can say that all people welcome us very nice.
Made a lots of friends at my work.
New York is the city that's good to be in. There are more things to do. I like shopping like the most.
I met a lot of Indians in Queens, and in Brooklyn there are also Indians.
I'm a strictly vegetarian person, but I get a whole variety of food what I can eat.
In New Jersey, we can say the mini India. So if I go over there, I never feel like that I'm in the USA. I feel like I'm in India because I can see every Indian faces over there. RCM is the agency that provide the opportunity for physical therapists, occupational therapists.
You can work in a nursing home, you can do home health services.
Work with geriatric age group, pediatric age group, as well as outpatient facilities.
One of the most important things we do is let them feel that you're not alone. Being together and having someone to count on and rely on is really key. They're leaving their family, and this is a big step. Coming to the United States and beginning a new adventure and a new life is something that could be scary. Knowing that you have someone that can be there for you and that is a new extended family is really important.
From day one, we're here to guide every single recruit every bit of the way, studying for examinations, filling out forms, learning the right things to say on interviews, guiding them through their resumes, helping them by setting them up with a mentor when they first come into the United States.
We make sure that they are put in housing that works for them. We try to put them in Indian communities where there's restaurants and grocery stores and places that they'll feel comfortable in, and places that we've already scoped out and know will work for them.
Mark Pensalin shows you, he even comes to the subway stations with you to show you around which train to take, how to get to your destination.
We'll provide them with 2 months housing. We'll provide them with a grocery card, a subway card. We'll have them do shadowing. We'll help them to get their bank accounts. Once they do that, then they can start working after 2 weeks when they get their Social Security card.
And it's just easier when you have somebody to ask everything you want.
We care a great deal about how it works for the therapist in terms of the cultural aspect of moving to a new country. Many of the therapists are basically the exact same age as my daughter and son. And I know that if I was having one of my children go across the world for an opportunity like this, I'd want to know that the people who were taking them would have their best interests at heart.
I have experience once with the Adam, like when I call her at 8 o'clock at the night time, she gave me a reply and they treat us as like a family member.
Currently I'm a bachelor degree from India. I want to do my master's and get more opportunities.
There were so many times that I am looking forward for a few more hours, and they always help me with that, specifically with very flexibility in the weekends or in the evening hours.
When you come to the United States, you have to know about Medicare, Medicaid. Because RCM gives you so much training, all of it just seems easy.
I can see different technologies, different equipment. I can say the New York State is really a very great one that we can get the study and improve the knowledge and everything regarding my field.
They just don't leave you once you're, in a facility and working. They help you. The recruiters, the managers who sit down, they meet with you.
Our therapists from India and the Philippines really have some of the best skills. I have a son who got therapy, and when you find a therapist that can connect with your child and that can really give the skills and see the difference that they make in a child's life, it's amazing. There's a lot of companies out there who think they know how to do the process or can make empty promises. We make promises that we stand behind.
You need someone with experience, someone who understands. And we've done this. We've been very successful at it.
I help document their academic history so that they'll be able to present to the U.S. licensing authorities that they do have master's equivalents. I have a lot of hands-on experience doing this in India and in the Philippines, over 50, 60 cases.
We have developed excellent relationships with various governing bodies, as well as different licensing boards within the United States to help facilitate getting their licenses in a timely manner.
When I applied for my New York City state license, it got stuck in somewhere, and Mark went to Albany and brought it like from there, which I would have never been able to do it sitting there in India.
They give us the H1 visa, also giving to the green card.
They give us the things to review, the books that we cannot buy, and the online tests. Those are like really helpful to go through.
My name is Ravi Chadria. I'm from India Recruit. We have a lovely tie-up with RCM Healthcare. It's now over 3 years. We've really enjoyed this tie-up and our relationship has grown stronger than ever.
We like to work with RCM because they are very encouraging and they see that all the candidates get all the required information, and whatever they say, they do it. They help the candidates every possible way.
Some people may have a little bit harder time passing English. Some people have harder time passing state boards. Some people go to schools where we have to work harder with the deans to get them accredited. So everybody is different, and we try to make sure that everybody gets the individual attention that they need to succeed.
Don't give up. Follow your dream. And the most important thing that you can do is study hard, find the right partner to get you here to the States, but most importantly, believe in yourself, believe in the opportunity, and believe that it can happen, because we've proven that can happen. Find the right person to make it happen.
It is more than possible. It is an attainable goal which can be achieved through hard work and dedication.
I know it's scared to come here before you didn't see how is the country, but it's very nice country. They definitely will welcome you. So just don't be scared and just come here. Like, we are here to help you. So I like to be here, and I like to invite everyone to come here to study and job.
America needs you. America wants you. And all I could say to the Indian OTs, Shakti USA PT OT.